Breastfeeding and pumping are journeys that take time, patience, and self-compassion. Some days will feel easier than others, and that is normal. Your milk supply may fluctuate, and your routine may change as your baby grows. Remember to care for yourself. Drink plenty of fluids, eat nourishing foods, and rest whenever possible. Taking care of your body supports milk production and overall well-being. If you experience pain, blocked ducts, low supply concerns, or emotional stress, reach out for help. Lactation consultants, healthcare providers, and support groups can offer guidance and reassurance. There is no perfect way to feed a baby. What matters most is that your baby is loved, nourished, and cared for, and that includes caring for yourself. Trust your instincts, take things one step at a time, and remember that every effort you make counts. You are doing important work, and you are doing